Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Guy, Canophonic Records with another in the series. Well, I just recorded this, Rockin' Robin, long time ago. Anyway, recorded this on a 7-inch clear Lexan disc at 45 RPM, so the platter will animate. As you see. Oh dear, darken this a bit. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it don't. Anyway, Rockin' Robin.
All the little birds on J-Bear Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Go, Rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall tree. The wise or loud, the big black crow, clap for their wings, sing and go, birds go, Rockin' Robin, tweet. Rockin' Robin, go Rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. A pretty little raven at the birthday stand, talked from my to the pop and it was grand. He started going steady and bless my soul. He outbought the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and hopping and singing his song. All the little birds on J-Bear Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Go Rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Well, the pretty little raven at the birdman stand talked him up and to the pop and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He outbought the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and bopping and singing his song. All the little birds on J-Bear Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin. Go Rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight.
Alright, anyway, interesting song. You can hear the air conditioner running in the background. It is 91 degrees here today, so air conditioner is going to be running all day. Anyway, recorded this on a 7-inch clear Lexan disc, just to do it, really, and using the Presto labels. So I got some new labels, haven't printed them yet, or punched them. So after I print these, of course, these are all printed on a 3.5-inch white sticker, a round sticker. Run it through the printer, and then I have a punch, of course, to punch the center hole. Anyway, it works. It's virtually free. The software was free, and once you print one, you can print these things, or once you design one, you can print them virtually forever. Anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, TheVictrolaGuy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.